Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Audacity Capital prop firm. We're going to be looking at some of the best features behind it and how to redeem discount codes. Audacity Capital offers a two-phase evaluation process called the Ability Challenge, designed to assess your trading skills thoroughly. The first phase requires traders to achieve a 10% profit target with a maximum daily drawdown of 7.5% and a maximum drawdown of 15%. The second phase also requires a 10% profit target, but it has stricter drawdown limits, 5% daily and 10% overall. There are no time limits at all to this evaluation stage, allowing you to trade at your own pace. The Ability Challenge's two phases are designed to ensure you can generate consistent profits while managing risk effectively. Successful traders can transition to funded accounts and begin trading with real capital immediately after completing the challenge. They also have a funded trader program. The daily drawdown for this is a maximum of 5% and the max absolute drawdown is 10%. You cannot trade news on this challenge account and the profit target is 10% with a profit share of up to 80%. Audacity Capital offers various account sizes starting from $10,000 and that can scale up to $240,000. Successful traders can double their account size every time they hit a 10% profit target with the potential to scale up to $2 million over time. Now, Audacity Capital offers a really great profit split starting at 80%, but this can go up to 90% once you get a live account. Audacity Capital is a world-renowned prop firm and it's been around since 2012. They have backed traders in over 140 different countries. They support a variety of trading strategies, including holding positions overnight and over weekends. The firm also allows the use of expert advisors, also known as EAs, but it has to be under certain conditions. To get the most up-to-date discount code for Audacity Capital, you need to click the link in our description below. This will take you to this page where we constantly update the most up-to-date bonus codes in this section here. Copy the discount code and then click the green Claim Now button. This will take you to Audacity Capital's homepage. Click the View All Funding Programs and then select the funding program that you want to go with. For this example, we're going to go with a $120,000 account. You'll then be taken to the checkout page on Audacity Capital. All that's left to do is to input all of your details and then go over to this section right here underneath the total amount and click Have a Coupon, click here to enter your code. This will then pop down this box. All you have to do is paste the discount code into this box and click Apply Coupon. All that's left to do is to select the payment method that you want to choose, whether it be credit card, cryptocurrency or PayPal, and then agree to the terms and conditions and place your order. Once that's done, you will have access to your challenge account with Audacity Capital. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe for more trading content and discount codes.